How to connect Mailchimp to WordPress tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Mailchimp.com to your WordPress for email marketing and more. So let's get started. First of all, what you guys need to do is you can open up your WordPress website. If you already have a WordPress website and you're looking for a plugin for an integration for email marketing campaigns, sign up forms, surveys, and more, then Mailchimp is a really good plugin and integration that you can add. So make sure that you have a website on your WordPress and you can just open up your dashboard. This is where you will get. Now, what I want you guys to do is you can go to Mailchimp.com. Mailchimp.com is an email marketing and automation platform that allows you to create email marketing campaigns, do automation. It has a lot of other options for us where we can even create websites. It gives us reports and analytics. So if you're looking to add it to WordPress, you will require an account. You can go ahead and sign up. So get to Mailchimp.com, click on sign up, and it will take you to the sign up form. In sign up form, we have the pricing plan. It has a premium for $299 per month, standard for $17 per month, essential for $11 per month, and we have a free plan. So you can even sign up for free. In order to sign up, enter your email address, set up a username, enter your password, click on sign up, and you will get your own dashboard. After the initial sign up or sign in, this is where you will get, and now we have our Mailchimp. So the first step was creating a website on WordPress, and then we have an account on Mailchimp. Now let's connect these two. There are two ways we can do this. We can either go ahead and add a plugin to WordPress, or we can add an integration on Mailchimp. So let me show you the first way. We have our Mailchimp dashboard. You're going to scroll down a little bit to integrations. We can add a lot of different integrations to our Mailchimp to discover new ways to save time and expand our reach with the powerful integrations and apps. So here you're going to search for WordPress. If you scroll down a little bit, and you will get to your connect your store. We have BigCommerce, Square, WooCommerce, okay. And then we have sync your contacts. Here we have WordPress. You're going to click on WordPress, and now you can see it says enter your site URL. So what you're going to do is you're going to get back to your WordPress website and get the URL. Paste your URL right here and click on get code. And this is the code that we have. You're going to click on copy, and the code will be copied. Now we're going to copy and paste this code to our website's HTML. Click on check connection to see if your websites connect. All right. So now we have copied this one. Let's actually connect them first, and then we will check the connection. Get back to your dashboard right here. And here, what I can do is I can enter the HTML to a page. Like we can create a new page right here on our WordPress. So I'm going to go to the pages and click on add new. And now here, what I can do is I can create a new page for my email marketing. And we can also add this HTML within our settings on our WordPress dashboard. You will just paste the code that you got from your Mailchimp, and your sites will be connected. After that, you're going to click on check connection to see if your websites are connected or not. So this is how you add a WordPress integration to your Mailchimp. Now let me show you how to add a Mailchimp plugin to your WordPress. So you're going to get to your WordPress dashboard first. Scroll down a little bit to the plugins. Click on add new. Once you get to the add plugins, you're going to search for Mailchimp. This is the one right here. You can see Mailchimp for WooCommerce. Connect your store to your Mailchimp audience to track sale, create targeted emails, and send abandoned cart emails. Click on install now, and it will be installed. You can see it has more than 600,000 active installations. Once it's installed, you're going to click on activate. So once the plugin is installed, you will be able to find it right here under WooCommerce. You can see now it says Mailchimp. Click on Mailchimp, and you will just sign in to your Mailchimp. That is why I showed you how to create an account on Mailchimp, because this is an important step. If you have an account on Mailchimp, then it's very easy to integrate WordPress or add the plugin of Mailchimp to your WordPress website or your WooCommerce. Once it's added, then you will be able to create email marketing campaigns. We have our audience automation. Make sure to create an audience for your customers that you have on your WooCommerce, because this way you will be able to create a campaign really easily. We can just create different lists, and then each list can have its own campaigns, and this helps us with the audience that we have selected. So even if I take you to audience dashboard right here, I can create a new contact now. Click on add your contacts, and we can import a CSV file that we have for our customers on WooCommerce and add it to our Mailchimp, because now we will be creating campaigns using Mailchimp.com. With Mailchimp, when it comes to designing email, it's a simple drag and drop. So you can see, how would you like to add contacts? We have import from another service, upload a file. So I can even import my products from these stores, Shopify, and other platforms, or I can upload a file from my computer. So we can just click on upload file, and this is going to be the file for my customers that I have on WooCommerce. And this way I will be able to create my audience, track my audience, and actually grow my business. To create a campaign, you will click right here on campaigns, and then you're going to click on create campaign. Here we can create more than one campaign, of course, and send emails to multiple people. We can also add different automations into it. And with Mailchimp, we will also be getting our analytics now for the website that you have on WordPress. So this is actually a really good integration that you can go ahead and add to your WordPress. Make sure to complete the process once you install your Mailchimp. I have already added it. So what you can do is you can just click right here on the settings, and you will connect your Mailchimp to your WooCommerce. So make sure to complete these steps, and your WooCommerce will be connected to your Mailchimp to sync your store data, send targeted campaigns to your customers, and sell more products. When it comes to adding Mailchimp to your WordPress, we can add the free version, and there are different paid plans available that we can buy for Mailchimp that will give us more options. So you can go ahead and check out the pricing for Mailchimp. There is a free plan, of course. It gives us one seat, and we get pre-built templates, we get integrations, we have A/B split testing, email scheduling. So you can see email scheduling and pre-built journeys or multi-variant testing is not available with the free plan. So I can go with the essential, standard, or premium. Essential is going to be starting from $11 per month. Then we have a standard plan, which is going to be $17 per month, and then there is a premium plan, which is going to be $299 per month. So you can go ahead and check them out. With these, you will be getting a lot of different options, especially with the premium right here. You can see we are getting our role-based access, A/B split testing, email scheduling. We have content optimizers, send time optimization, comparative reporting, advanced segmentation, dedicated onboarding specialist, and more. So you can go ahead and buy any of these plans, and you will be able to then, of course, connect your Mailchimp to your WordPress and avail more features. So we can also send emails to thousands of different contacts and customers using Mailchimp. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part, and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.